In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace text in Canva. This is a quick, reliable way to update repeated words or phrases across your design without hunting through every page. It's perfect for fixing typos, updating a client name, or changing a product detail in a single pass. Start by opening the Canva project you want to edit. Make sure you're in the design you actually want to change, because the updates you make will apply to the text in this project. Once your project is open, look to the top left of the Canva editor. Click on File. In the menu that appears, select Find and Replace Text. This opens Canva's built-in tool designed specifically for this task. After you click it, look toward the top right of your screen. You'll see a small menu or panel appear. In the Find field, type the exact text you want Canva to search for in your design. This could be a single word or a phrase. Then, in the Replace with field, enter the new text you want to use instead. Take a second to double-check spelling and capitalization here, because this is what will be inserted wherever the match is found. Now you have two options to apply the change. If you want to go one instance at a time, click Replace. This lets you step through each occurrence and confirm it before moving to the next. It's a safe way to review context, especially if the word you're changing appears in different places with slightly different meanings. If you're confident that every instance should be updated, click Replace All. Canva will instantly swap every matching piece of text with your new wording throughout the project. A few quick tips to keep your edits clean and accurate. Use Replace First on a single instance to preview how the change looks in your layout, then decide whether to continue one by one or switch to Replace All. Be mindful of common words that might appear in unexpected places. If your search term is part of a longer word, check the preview carefully to avoid changing something you didn't intend. Also, watch for punctuation and capitalization around your term so your replacement reads naturally in the sentence. When you're satisfied, that's it. You've successfully used Canva's Find and Replace text to make consistent updates in a fraction of the time. This simple tool keeps your design accurate and saves you from manual edits across multiple pages or elements. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined workflow.